Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make camshaft retainer in SolidWorks. So let's begin. At first click here, then click on part and click on OK. Here our unit is mmgs, that is millimeter gram in second, and go to sketch at first, and then from here select right plane, and then select rectangle and draw a rectangle. After that select a circle, and from this point draw a circle. Now click on smart dimension and take this dimension just 50.08 50.08 50.80. Okay, now take this dimension 19 and the diameter of this circle is 25.40. Okay, now click OK. Now go to features, select extruded boss or base, and from here select 19, and from here select mid plane and click here and select the surface. Okay, now click here and click on sketch. Now click here and select center line. From this midpoint to this midpoint select center line, and here also select center line again. From this midpoint to this midpoint select center line. Now select on point, select point and make a point here to the midpoint of this line and also here. Okay, click here, click on spacebar, click OK. Okay, click here and click on sketch. Now select center line again. Now from this midpoint to this midpoint select a center line, and now click on spacebar, click here. Now select, go to sketch, select point and select a point here above the previous point, select point. Okay, now go to sketch, okay, select OK. Now select whole wizard and select the first one, and from here select ISO option. Then from this 5 select the second one, hex screw grade AB ISO 4017. Now size M12, fit normal, and show custom sizing. The first one would be 6.75, second one would be 25, and the last one would be 5. Now click on position, click on spacebar. Now fix it here at this point 1, and another one is at this point. Okay, now our camshaft retainer is ready. Just need some modification. Click edit appearance Okay, before that, apply material, edit material. Now apply iron. From here select ductile iron, apply, close. Now from here apply rooftop. Okay, now this is our camshaft retainer. Friends, if you think this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos, and if you have any question you can ask them in the comment box. Thank you.